Hey guys, it's your girl, Lashes Tony X. So let's get started. I'm ready to play with this palette. Again, this is by Urban Decay, the Naked Honey palette. I'm going to use the brush that it comes with, but I'm also going to use a few of my brushes as well. It's real cute. It says Naked Honey on the brush, and it has the double-sided brush. I do have some little extra things. This is another Urban Decay product. This is, what is it called? Gold. It's called gold something. I'll put all the products that I use in my eyes in the description box. And also, Heather sent me this. This is one of the Stilas, and this is in the color Follow the Sun, which is kind of like the color of my shirt. That's why I wore the shirt today. Alright, so again, I'm using Swarm, and I think I'm going to take it all over the lid. And then, since I do have hooded eyes, I like to bring my color above the crease. Again, and this is the color Swarm that we're using first. It's one of the lighter shades in the palette, but it does have a golden undertone to it. Like I said, I'm just gonna put it kind of like a base for all over the lid. Okay guys, now we're gonna take the color, like I said, Keeper, which is a little tiny bit darker, which is right here, and it's called Keeper. And with that, I think I'm going to go back, but I'm not going to do everything like I did. I'm not going to put it all over the lid. I'm just going to keep it more towards the end and then a little bit more in the actual crease, if that makes sense. So I'm not going to go all over the lid like I did with Swarm. So I'm just going to get this smaller brush that I like to use, and I'm going to go in with Keeper. And again, I'm taking my card. The only thing about using a card is when you keep using it, I'm always afraid the line is going to be a little different, but we're going to work with it. So again, I'm going to focus this more on the outer part and then in the crease with Keeper. So basically, I'm just darkening my crease with Keeper, and I'm not going all over the lid, and I'm not going all over the place with it. I'm just trying to keep it in a certain spot. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't know why I whisper when I do my eye makeup. Okay, so now I still want to add some depth to this, to the outer part. So that's what we're gonna do. And I'm taking the color Drip, and I am gonna add a little bit down at the bottom. Like I said, I'm trying to add more definition to this, and I will clean up anything I need to. That's what that looks like. Then I'm going to take Drip again. Just trying to smoke it out, if you can see that. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. Okay. So now we're going to do the lids. Like I said, I found my brush. It was mixed in with my other brushes. So I'm going to use this, let's see, which one do I want to use? I might use this one right here. It's basically to pack on shadow. It's the bigger end. This is the smaller end. Probably for like more detail work. But I think I'm going to try this one. We're using, again, the color Honey, which is the main point to this palette, I think, is the reason why I wanted it anyway, is this very beautiful gold yellow color called Honey. And we are just gonna try to pack this on the lid. So I'm gonna look right here in the mirror, and that's what I'm gonna do. I am going to try to, might do one eye with spray and one eye without spray and see which one looks better. And I feel like this brush might be a little too big, so, but I do want to put it all over the lid. I feel like right there in the crease, I need a more definition brush. So we're gonna use the smaller side, and we're gonna try to get like right up in there, and like all the way. I want it all the way above, like almost above my crease, because you know I always make like that fake crease. So we're just gonna take it all above, and we're just gonna pack this gold all over the place. I like this side brush better, so I would suggest using the smaller one to really get in there for detail, and you can use the bigger one if you're just like wanting a more natural look, I guess. But I'm really trying to pack, and then I'm just gonna try to blend it on the sides, because I don't want to take away from the dark that I put on. So that's what it looks like so far. Oh my god, I'm in love. Okay, all right, so that is good. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna take this Steel & Glow. It came in like a mini kit, and this one is in the color Follow the Sun, which I feel like is gonna be pretty, but I'm a little worried too. Maybe I should take on the brush and just try to see how it looks. Oh my god, that is so fucking pretty. Sorry for the cussing, but that just blew my mind, okay? That freaking blew my mind. I just took it with the more smaller detail brush and went over it, and it just blew my mind because of how gorgeous and pigmented it looks. So pretty. Okay, I'm so happy with it. Okay, now we're gonna use this Gold Mine liner that looks like this. Looks like, let me show you. It's just a very gold color. I'm just gonna put it in the waterline. I don't know how this is gonna look, but we're gonna give it a go. And I am gonna smoke some colors out underneath my eye. And yeah, this color is not really honestly showing up in my waterline as like I wanted it to for some reason. But I am gonna bring that gold color a little bit down. I'm gonna smoke it out. Okay. I did put some in the waterline. I don't know if you can tell, but it didn't show up as pigmented as I wanted it in my waterline, but that Stila color just blew my freaking mind. It just really made the honey color pop. So I'm happy with that. This kind of flat angled brush, use kind of for liner, and I'm going to use the honey color again, which is the main focus of the show. And I'm just going to kind of line it up under like that, if you can see. And then we're going to take another color and smoke it out a little bit. So that's what that looks like. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that brush, the smaller brush, and I'm just going to take, and I'm just going to kind of blow it out with that yellow, that honey color. like that, just to kind of blend that out a little bit. Alright, now we're going to take, I think we'll take like a pencil brush, like something like this. And I'm debating on what color I want to use. I kind of want to use Drip, but that might be too dark. And then Keeper, I think Keeper might be the best color to go up under my eye. Let's try Keeper first and see if I like it. And basically I'm just going to take it and blow it out up under. Ooh, I like it. I like Keeper. Okay. I feel like it just made it even more golden, if you get what I'm saying. I really like Keeper. It's really pretty. That is so pretty. I'm really liking this look. I think I might push my luck since we're doing a dramatic. I like dramatic eyes. I'm going to take the color Drip and I'm just going to put a teeny bit at the very, just to kind of blend that dark color right through here. If you see what I'm saying. Like that. Perfect. Mommy like. I really like the way it turned out. So I'm definitely going to use a different mascara on the bottom. I'm going to use my Essence Lash Princess because I just need length on the bottom. This is kind of scary. Look how big that is. And that's what she said. Why is my mind in the gutter today? This is not really the type of mascara I would use before doing my fake lashes. This is one I would use on a natural day. Okay guys, I just got through doing my eye look. I hope you guys liked this look. I am wearing my Lily lashes in Miami, and you guys saw how I did the honey palette. I hope you like it. If you want to see another look with the honey palette, let me know. I'm going to finish my lips real quick. I'm going to line them with this color, but I'm going to blend it in, and I'm just going to do a nude. So this lipstick or lip liner is discontinued, so any kind of light brown or nude lip liner will work. I'm still planning on doing a live, you guys, Wednesday. Okay guys, I'm using my favorite brand of liquid lipstick. This is the Maybelline Matte Ink Superstay in Seductress, and it lasts all day. So these are great for travel. I think I'm gonna bring a couple of these on my trip, because if you remember in my Shop My Stash, I was like, I don't know what lipstick I want to use. So okay guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you think I did a good job with this Naked Honey palette by Urban Decay. And again, this is what it looks like. And if you want me to do a different look, maybe, I don't know, a smoky look or a more neutral look, let me know in the comments. If you just want me to come up with another look, I will totally do so. I love this palette. I'm really excited about it. I will put the information about this palette in my description box. Whoops. If you have any questions about the products I use, please don't hesitate to ask me. I'll definitely let you guys know. If you want to know where I got this top, I'll put that in the description box as well. I just want to say I love you to pieces, and I hope you have a good one. Bye.